Hey guys, I'm in my BYD Atto 3. Have a look at my windscreen wipers. Listen to this sound. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get rid of this sound. So guys, just showing you which wiper blades I bought off AliExpress. It's this one called for BYD Yuan EV Plus Atto 3 2021 to 2023. Front windshield wiper blades, 2 pieces, and it costs $14.19. I am not receiving any money from this company or AliExpress. I only bought this one because it was the cheapest I can find. So you can see this is my main menu. I'm gonna go to the right, go to settings, and on the right hand side go to service, and then go to overhaul and front wiper check. You're gonna tick that box and you see something just happened. The wipers are now located to the right. Okay, so I'm now going to unbox the windscreen wipers. Okay, these are the windscreen wipers from AliExpress. Here's a small one. And here's a big one. Alright, small one, big one, and here's the cover. Remove the cover. Remove the cover. Alright, so you got a small one and a big one. Now we can slot these into the car. Okay, here's the big one matching this, and here's a small one matching that. Okay, let's do the big one first. Lift it up like that. There's a button you can press with one hand. Press the button and then pull it up with your left hand. Okay, so there's the old one. Now we're going to grab the new one, which looks pretty similar. Okay, and just slot it back in. Slot it back in. Push it down. Okay, now the other one, pull it up, button you can press, pull it up, alright, here's the identical one, the small one, alright, push it down, okay, so here's the old ones, let's grab that. Back in my car, turn it on. The two things are still here. Okay, so we're gonna have to go to settings, service, overhaul, front wiper check, turn it back down. Okay, now let's start wiping again. No strange noise at all. Perfect. Alright, thanks for watching guys, see you next time.